Yeah, I'm married. That's why I'm calling. You can do that for me? Yeah, I'd like that.
Who are you talking to?
It's Nick from the Whole Kit N Kaboodle. Yeah, that sounds like a really good deal.
Nick from the Whole Kit N Kaboodle at 8 o'clock in the morning? Who is this?
It's Nick from the Whole Kit N Kaboodle.
Nick from the Whole Kit N Kaboodle. What are you wearing, Nick from the Whole Kit N Kaboodle?
Khakis, white button-down shirt, red sweater.
She sounds hideous.
Well, she's a guy, so...
A live person will always be there to answer your texts, questions, or calls. Like an enabling friend, the Whole Kit N Kaboodle is there. Hi, I'm Nick. Nick from the Whole Kit N Kaboodle. Have you ever wondered about the process your kits go through, from the initial design to ending up on your doorstep? Come on, let me show you. Andrea keeps a list of design ideas and deadlines for each month on her office computer. After selecting which product will be next, she designs the project electronically. This process usually takes an hour or two and often gets tweaked as she begins to cut and lay out the project. After designing it electronically, she selects the potential papers and embellishments and begins to bring the design to life. She carefully arranges and rearranges until she is completely satisfied with the design. The process can take anywhere from 4 to 5 hours, and sometimes even more. Once the project is complete, Andrea will create a job sheet for that design. This comprehensive list of materials is critical due to the complexity of our pages. The job sheet includes the patterned papers and the My Colors cardstock and their varying dimensions. Once the design is complete, it is ready for the die cutters. The Whole Kit N Kaboodle team has several die cutters who work from home, picking up from and bringing each project back to the office. Once a project is ready to go, the call will go out for the die cutter to pick up the project. As they are cutting the project from home, they are constantly referring to the sample to ensure the exact size, color, and texture of every single piece. They often will need to rearrange the cutting mats to cut the objects more efficiently. There is a large difference in cutting for a single project than cutting for hundreds for mass production. The largest task for the die cutters is layering the individual pieces of each die cut. This part of the process depends on the complexity of each die cut, and it's important for the die cutter to remember that the office staff will be working with the project too. Once they have completed all the cutting and layering and packaging, they initial that portion of the checklist. This lets us know that the die cut is complete and who cut it in case we have questions back in the office. Once the die cuts are placed securely in the plastic bins, the sheets of paper are repacked and the project is returned to the office. We also have 9 die cutting machines in the office, with 3 in-office staff members dedicated just to die cutting. They use the exact same process as our at-home die cutters, just within the confines of an 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday workday. They also are on hand in case pieces were damaged or missing during transportation. We're just halfway through the process. More to come after this commercial break. I didn't order a pizza.
Nick from the Whole Kit N Kaboodle, after you saved me so much time with your amazing kits, I feel I owe you so much. You've answered every single email and text message and even responded to my 7 Facebook instant messages.
Here's the deal, Lori. The Whole Kit N Kaboodle offers everyone surprisingly great kits and customer service.
Yeah, right. Pepperoni pockets and atomic bomb. Cuckoo crusty.
There's no favoritism, just great service and great kits.
And a sign of AO. You're the man, man.
When you want the real deal, like an enabling friend, the Whole Kit N Kaboodle is there. Once the design is complete and the die cuts are ready to go, the kit enters the next stage of production. The rest of the responsibilities regarding production belong to the additional 4 office staff members. They meticulously measure and cut both the pattern paper and the My Colors cardstock. They also group and bag the die cuts to keep them painstakingly organized. We bag each page of die cuts individually, so it's easy for our customers to find the pieces. We also arrange all the stickers and embellishments needed for each page. This part of the process involves countless counting and double checking. Our goal is for each piece to be seen and touched by 3 separate sets of eyes. As the team members complete each piece, they too initial the box on the job sheet.
Once all of the pieces are ready to go, the job sheet and sample go back to Andrea.
She ensures each box is checked, then writes the instructions and produces the color handout. The design is now ready for the final bagging. The same team who assembled the papers and embellishments lays out and bags the final kit. Once every piece is in place, the kit is sealed and ready for purchase. Once you, the customer, purchases these kits, we print out the order page and fulfill it. How do you order? Do you use your cell phone or your computer? Or maybe your iPad? We appreciate each and every single order. We have to maintain an efficient organizational system since we constantly produce new products and fulfill hundreds and hundreds of orders each month. And the most delightful part of the process is mailing the kits to you. First, we set up the boxes, then we delicately place the products into the box. To confirm the order is correct, we designate one of our staff members to double check each package that goes out. We want to ship your order correctly the first time. To reduce the chances for damage, we fill any gaps with packing paper or bubble wrap and seal the other end. After that, we weigh it, label it, and send it on its way. As you can see, our kits travel through many hands and hearts to make their way to you. After this commercial break, we're excited to show you a sneak peek at our facility and what new designs are making their debut today just for you. I know I shouldn't, but I'm definitely watching 5 more episodes tonight.
So, just a typical Tuesday then, Nick from the Whole Kit N Kaboodle?
You can talk. You may not expect a talking dog, but you can expect the Whole Kit N Kaboodle to be there no matter what happens next. It's called service. I can't believe you can talk. Give me 5. Good job. Like an enabling friend, the Whole Kit N Kaboodle is there. So now that you've seen the process, would you like to take a tour of our facility? Come on, join me. The Whole Kit N Kaboodle was started in May of 2008, and last year, in July, we were fortunate enough to buy this 1,500 square foot facility. And this is where the magic happens. Most of the staff work in this big room, to the rhythm of our giant vintage clock, in a perfect environment of artistic chaos. And here is where we store 92 colors from My Colors cardstock. We are their primary retailer. This is also the room where you see most of our advertisements, announcements, and virtual classes. Our beginning started with scrapbooking kits, but over the years we have added powder puff inks, glitter markers, water brushes, cards, and you can see all of that in this room. Just call us and make an appointment. And this is our 1960s era kitchen, where we do typical kitchen things, like prepare our lunch, drink coffee, and print scrapbooking cover sheets. And this is our sitting room. Primarily, we use it for shipping. Here we bundle, box, double check, and ship your orders just for you. And from here, let's go to the boss's office. This is Andrea's home away from home. Did you know she can't work in complete silence? When she was younger, she would design to heavy metal music. Now that has transitioned to her playing movies all day while she works. It looks like we have a sneak peek of an upcoming design. Don't let her know I showed you. We hope you've enjoyed the tour. We've been hard at work to bring you 5 new designs. They are making their grand debut today. We are going to take you on an adventure from Disney to Pennsylvania with these latest creations.
Have you caught the travel bug? Do you need to seek new places and connect with other people? Then you need to document your journey on the scenic route. As closed opportunities begin to open, do your future photos a favor by purchasing this kit. What do Saint West, Kevin McAllister, and Sheldon Cooper Jr. have in common? All 3 are adorable little boys. If you have a charming young man that you would like to celebrate, the My Handsome Boy kit is for you. This kit is perfect for anything from casual moments of play to school photos. So tell me, do you want to build a snowman? If you love winter wonderlands and warm hugs, then come and get Olaf. These pages of intricate snowflakes and patterns will remind you that this kit is worth melting for. Do you dream of candy? Do you wish street light lamps were chocolate kisses? Well, plan your trip to Hershey Park and surround your photos with these sweet embellishments. Whether you prefer nougat or caramel, these pages will make you yell. Have you attended a CKC event this year? Well, come purchase the Creating Keepsakes convention as a souvenir. You can either scrap your favorite parts of the host city or your favorite booths at the event. This kit is a perfect keepsake to emphasize why you love your crafty hobby.
And have you seen our recipe album scrapbook? These have been so popular, we've restocked them for a 4th time. Our recipe scrapbook comes complete with the 8x8 Doodlebug album in tangerine or bonbon, the scrapbook album window, and 7 recipe divider page kits. We also have a scrapbook recipe of the month club. Each month, we will automatically ship you 2 8x8 scrapbook page kits complete with the recipe. Best news? It's only $19.99 a month, shipping included. We've also added general recipe pages so that you can write and include your own personal recipes. These kits include 5 general recipe pages for the topic of your choice. We also have a combination package that includes 2 general recipe pages for all 7 topics. These are just being released on our website today. Go on, click on over. Thank you for joining us today on our journey.
Be sure to join us for our upcoming virtual event next weekend, Saturday, August 28th. We are going to have a sweet time with this event. Our Candyland virtual event will be one you don't want to miss.
Click over to our website and learn the details of the event as well as shop for the new products. Each order $35 and over through Monday will receive this free virtual scrapbooking die cut. Free. No coupon needed.
We appreciate you and appreciate your support. We've had a lot of fun connecting with you virtually and in person this year. After all, like an enabling friend, the Whole Kit and Kaboodle is there. Thanks everyone, and happy scrapping!